Do you love exploring beautiful natural sights and love adventures? So what are you waiting for? Plan your weekend holidays for this winter as Nongalbibra South Garo Hills of Meghalaya is filled with exciting natural sights and welcome you to MEMANG KOKSI Festival at Awemong Simsang 0 Point from 17 to 19 December. Adventures that are included like river rafting, paintball shooting, volleyball, bonfire and musical nights, off-road sightseeing, and no more. For the day one, sightseeing will be explored at Checkwe Rock Spot, Kansurisuk Wari, Kumirang Cave, Era Aming Hot Spring, Awemong Simsang 0 Point Beach. For the day 2, sightseeing will be explored at Siju Cave, Longchang Rock Formation, Wongdong Falls, Wongdong Fish Sanctuary, Sangpung Falls, and many other events to be taking place. For contact, please call us at the given numbers on the screen or contact through Facebook page and Instagram.